Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool projector lighting effect on CapCut PC. So you are going to select your video and you're going to add it to track. Make sure the video is in a dark lighting with with a little bit of lighting here and there. Then you're going to add in your video and add it below. So add this one on top. You can use any video you want for this. And then here you're going to go to blend mode and you're going to select linear burn. You can definitely adjust the opacity if you want, but it kind of defeats the purpose a little bit of a projector hitting the subject that hits the light. But that is basically it. Really super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!